Hello.
And so basically, Ate Jenny and Fukerat, they're from Team Bardagulan.
What is that?
What's that?
Ay,
Ate Bebe ko.
Is there ba nag-invite niya?
Oo.
Na-invite sila yata ni Isne, parang nakita ko.
Oo, siya yun.
Paano sasabi tayo?
Tagalog na lang.
Tagalog siya?
Sorry, I'm learning. Ako ay nag-aaral mag-Tagalog.
Marunong siya mag-Tagalog.
Oo, sa'yo, ikaw ay akin. Ganda mo sa paningin.
Ate, mag-Chinese ka nga. Namimiss ko yung crush kong Chinito eh.
Crush mo? Sino
Crush ba
katabi mo?
talaga o gusto mo na?
Hindi.
Saan siya? Diyan siya?
Ay,
Ay,
alam, magre-relapse ako dito.
ako rin.
Wait, so what is the group? What is your guys' group?
Ha?
Stand up.
Stand up. Can I see your abs?
Gote, hindi ko magawa kanina eh. Kasi,
Stand up, abs. Wow!
please. Thank you, Jenny.
You're so cute.
Yeah. I'm dead.
Thank you, te. Thank you, te.
I see you abs. Ooh!
No, chill.
Wait lang, te. Wait lang.
Ay, basketball?
Oh my god.
Sukarat, baba ka na.
No.
Can you show, do you know how to do ball tricks?
Yeah.
Can you do
Oh, I
tricks?
know these basketball players.
Wait lang.
Yeah. Put it on your finger.
Oh my God.
Higher.
Ooh, basketball. You nice.
What are you guys doing?
Mamaya ka na pagkada.
Ikaw pagilan.
What other tricks do you know?
Wow, basketball.
That's the only thing I know. That's the only thing I know.
Hello,
Learn how to love you.
At ba pangalan? At? Your name at? What's your name at?
Oh no,
Thank you,
Anthony.
Jenny. Thank you, te. Sobrang gift mo sa
My
amin.
name is Anthony.
How old are you?
22.
22? Wow,
Yes,
same.
Opo.
I'm 22.
Yeah.
Go, Ate
yeah.
Jenny! Maglaban mo kami!
Wow.
Teka, sa kayo na ang South China. Si Amin na to. Ay, ba't may match?
Ano tayo?
What is this?
Ano
What is this match?
Ano to? Hawak mo. Gawin mo yan. Siyempre.
Sorry.
Hey!
We're getting destroyed in this.
No, we are strong. We are
Baby,
strong.
hi.
Stop, share, gap.
Bebe
Hi, Ate Jenny!
Hi.
See you sa 7. I'm so excited
Wow.
to meet you.
Nag-ending.
Nakita ko, kasama kayo si Kuya Jams. At Jim.
Saan?
Jim McKnife. Tama ba?
Ano po?
Si Kuya Jim. Jim. J-E-A-M. Jim.
Kuya James?
Oo. James?
Yes! Yes.
Mag-follow din kami
I'm-
dalawa si Kuya James.
And if we win in this battle, you should kiss me.
That's not happening.
No, kiss him to the phone.
yes, like
Kiss. At, dito. Kiss. Dito. Ayan.
Ay. Sorry. Behave. Sorry.
Oh.
Behave.
No, it's funny because I suck at lives because I've only gone live like a couple times.
Oh. Ate Jenny, Ate Jenny is the online seller in the Philippines.
Yes, Ate
Hi.
Jenny.
My name is Jenny Drop Beautiful.
Yes. Very beautiful.
Really? What?
Ate, you look like Kim Chu.
Ay, talaga. Thank
You
you.
look like Kim. Kim Chu in Delta Valley. Rock and roll.
Si?
Who is your Filipino celebrity crush?
Oh, who, me?
Yeah.
Jenny Chua?
I actually don't know any celebrities out here. I don't know too many.
Really?
Ay, Bea Bores.
We'll
Blind.
see. Because I don't want to be thrown into like a love team. That's why. So I'm just decisive.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Anthony.
Anthony?
Yes.
Anthony,
Okay.
you love me?
Oh, Anthony.
Anthony, you love
Anthony.
me?
He's from
You
California.
love Jenny? You love
Yes,
me?
you're my friend.
Diretso pa tanong.
Wow, we're friends already.
Andrin.
Consider us as friends already.
Yes.
Okay, we're friends.
Okay, because of that, let's get puto boom boom with cheese.
Yes. Go
Sabi
red
ko
it.
daw kay Ben.
Dalawang lakaw ko na lalaki ni Isnel. Lalaki ni Isnel din.
Oh, yung mga tao. What?
Oh, lalaki din Isnel din. Dalawang lalaki na nakaw ko.
Inaagaw. Inaagaw.
Siyan.
Uy, hindi naman.
Kanina ka siyan. Ngayon kahit
Ant, are you okay? Are you still okay there?